students, we are in corona period. Just now I would like to suggest you that follow this instruction. These are the basic cause. कोरोना लाइक कोई रोड पर नहीं निकले. डिजास्टर ड्यू टू दिस इज डिजास्टर मीन्स त्रासदी, आपदा. अगर आप इससे बचते हैं, ऐसा करने से बचते हैं, इट टर्न इनटू दिस स्लोगन कोई रोगी नहीं, और आप इस त्रासदी को अपॉर्चुनिटी में बदल लेते हैं. यानी इस पीरियड में आप घर पर रहते हैं, बाहर नहीं निकलते हैं और घर में अधिक से अधिक अध्ययन करते हैं, तो आप अपने कैरियर को एक अच्छी ऊंचाई दे सकते हैं. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग बेसिक पॉइंट पर आ रहे हैं. हम लोगों का बेसिक पॉइंट है, हम लोग जो पढ़ने जा रहे हैं ज्योमेट्री में लाइंस एंड एंगल्स. इसके विषय में हम लोगों के लिए बेसिक पॉइंट क्या होगा. फर्स्ट, लाइन सेगमेंट. अ लाइन which have 2 ends point, that is called line segment. Other one, ray, having a line having one end point and other ray is called a line which have one end point and other is represented by arrow, that is called ray. Third one, lines. Line which have no end point. Both direction represent arrow is called a line. Fourth one is angle, where two arrow interact at each other at any point, they form an angle, right? This is called angle. When two arrow interact at any point, they form an angle, right? We have already discussed about the basic point like line segment, ray and angles. Now we have to learn types of angles. How many types of angles are there? Right? First we have to know acute angle. Acute angle, it means angle which is less than angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle, right? Angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Whether an angle which is less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree is called obtuse angle. Right? Obtuse angle which is less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree is called obtuse angle, right? First we have to know about acute angle, right? Acute angle, an angle which is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle, right? This is the diagram of acute angle. OA and OB form an angle which is more than 0 and less than 90 degree. Other one, an angle which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that is called obtuse angle. There OA and OB form an angle which is more than 90 but less than 180 degree. Third one is right angle. An angle which is equal to 90 degree, that is called a right angle, right? An angle which is equal to 90 degree, that is called a right angle. Fourth one is a straight angle. Fourth one, that is called a straight angle, like OA angle formed at O by OA and OB, and that is 180 degree. An angle which is equal to 180 degree is called a straight angle. Fifth one is reflexive angle or reflex angle. This is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflexive angle or reflex angle. Right? Reflex angle, an angle which is more than 180 but less than 360 is called reflex angle. Now we have to study about the pair of angles, right? Sorry, just now we have to learn about a complete angle. Complete angle, that is called angle completely surrounded by a circle, that is called complete angle. And seventh one is zero angle, when two such type of parallel lines formed an angle, that is called zero angle. Same type of parallel lines formed an angle which is called zero angle, right? Now we have to learn something about pair of angles. Pair of angles, we have to learn about adjacent angle, right? When two angles formed by a common arm and two non-common arms are called adjacent angle, right? When two angles formed by a common arm and two non-common arms, that is called adjacent angle, like this. In the given figure, OA and OB are two common arms where OC is a common arms and this forms the adjacent angle of each other, right? Adjacent angle. Second, complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, each of them is called complementary to each other. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then each of them is called complementary to each other. Right? Like this. This is thirty, then it is 90 minus 30, right? It means कि the sum of two angle is 90 degree, then each of them is complementary to each other, right? Third, supplementary angle. If the angle is theta, then the supplementary angle is 180 minus theta, right? As for example, this angle is 45 degree, then this is equal to 180 minus 45. That is called supplementary angle. Then we define it that if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then each of them is supplementary to each other, right? Fourth one, if two lines intersect at any point, right? Like AB and CD intersect at O, then the opposite angle, this like angle 1 angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. That is called vertically opposite angle. If the two lines intersect at any point, such type of figure like 1 and 3 is vertically opposite angle, 2 and 4 is also vertically opposite angle, right? Fifth one that is called linear pair. This like this plus this, then x plus y is called 180 degree. Thus, linear pair, when a line is a stand on other line, the sum of the both angles is 180 degree, right? That is called linear pair. If a line is standing on the other, it forms two angles and the sum of two angles is 180 degree. That is called supplementary angle, linear pair, right? Okay, just we have already discussed about the lines and angles. If you like this video, I would like to suggest you, please like and subscribe this and motivate me for this. I would give you more and more videos and train you. Thank you.